Alright folks, I've decided to change both belts. The left one, which I'm taking out right now, is just a cheap one, right? And they just come out the middle. I know it seems a little tight, but that's the only way for them to come out. And there's a bolt down there on one of the center pulleys. And you can see we just get it right in between there. It'll come. I put it in. So I guess you can watch that. Yeah, it's almost out. Might just take a good tug, you know that? Perfect. Okay, now the other one's the same. It comes out the exact same hole. Oh, it might have a keeper on it. Oh, that's just a bolt. Got it! Okay, let's check the size of these two belts. Just took a little persuasion. Quite often that's all this stuff takes. Okay, so this one is a tiny bit bigger than this one, but this one is the V belt and has a slightly lower profile than that. So that's pretty close. Oh yeah, it's ready to be replaced too. Done! These are the two I bought, and this is the one I took off on the inside, and they are as close as you can get. They weren't cheap, they were 15 bucks a piece. But I like the idea of the cut belt because they're just a bit more flexible. So now, as soon as I take this off, we're done, right? There, we're done. We paid for it. And these are good belts. Industrial. I'm just going to stick these on and we'll figure it out. I don't know. I might have to turn you guys off. I'm going to stick the belt down in here. Right? It goes around. We hope. There is a bolt in the pulley though, so I'm going to have to fiddle around for quite a while. Okay, word of note. When you guys are installing belts on a single stage Craftsman 20-inch snowblower older, that bolt there, I had to learn this the hard way. Right there, I loosen that off, and it reduces the keepers below. See that? Right in there. It loosens those keepers back in there. Oh, that's crazy. I'll stop. Alright guys, I've got the underside buttoned up and tightened up. You saw that belt retainer that doesn't look like it should be a belt retainer. So now I'm just going to put the belts over the pulleys. Like, should be something like this. Shouldn't be hard, right? And then we put these on, making sure that we have them facing the right direction. Oh, I wonder if I got my impact within reach. Well, it's on. So that's good. Now we just have to get a 9/16 on both sides. Where are we, 9/16? Everything but this will do it. So with what started was a broken belt ended up being a major deal. Good. Real world test before we put the bottom pan back on again. This was a hard job, you guys. So the keepers are all on. Brand new belts. The what do you call it? The idlers are in the right place. Contact, 3/4 throttle, choke. Well, because of the chain drive, it's a little jerky, but everything's good. I checked all of the pulleys underneath, and I greased all of the gears with snowblower grease or snowmobile grease. So I just got to put the cover on. We're done. Thank you very much, guys, for being patient. I was just thinking to myself, I've got 4 snow blowers around here. I got everything fixed on all of them. And then I was just looking at the front of this one that I had in last year. And look at that tine. That is bent. And that is bent bad. So I'm going to see what I can do with that. I don't want to break it. I might have to weld it, and I don't want to do that either. So that is really, really interesting. And these single stage throwers really go. I like they rotate at a scary RPM. So I'm going to pump this up, and we're going to see if we can bend that back. I was getting so confident I could probably sell a couple or give one to my niece or the kids out of town. And then I saw that. I don't even know if I need to have the camera rolling for this, but probably a good idea. You guys can witness my demise if something goes wrong. Okay, we're going to need some leverage. Old-fashioned Chinese leverage. I mean, everybody complains about Chinese tools, but we've all got them, right? Why don't you get one of the kids in here? Now I'm going to start bending this back down here. And gradually work our way up a couple of times. Are you guys getting any of this? I know I say that a lot. It's come a long ways already. That boy can sure cipher. Okay. It's almost torn the rivets out. But I've got it bent back quite a ways already, but the problem is now there's a weak spot. So when I get this completely squished back, I'm going to get the welder out and just go zzz. I need a little more leverage than that. I think I'm going to use a better quality crescent wrench made by Crescent. Cool, eh? Were they designed for this? Story, gotta get in your way. I know I'm bad for that. That's about all my 13 horsepower arms got. Now I'm going to put some earplugs in and beat on that. We'll go back and look at the beginning of the film after. hard work. It's already quite a bit better, isn't it? It was laid right over. Let the hammer do the work. Whew. Okay, look at this. I'll bring you into the light, Luke. The rivet is now out, eh? And this is almost flush there. The trouble is, as soon as we hit one thing, it's going to bounce back like that. I think that's pretty darn good. Now I'm going to hammer that rivet. Oh, it's already back a bit. How does the other side look? This has paint on it. Oh, jeez, that's Gouda. All right. Now, I would like to pinch that down somehow, but I don't know if I've got that kind of... What's going to have to do, baby. Now, let's make sure it goes around and around. Which is the best way to do this? We're not in gear, are we? Oh. Okay, well, everything should be floating free. Yeah, I think we're good. I don't even think we need to weld it. There, another goofy fix. Let's just check the other side at the back. Oh, looks good. I'm just going to bend this down a little bit. Thrower. Straight across there. Okay. It all, you know, steel is amazing. It does want to come back to where you had it. I think that's going to have to be. Boy, it never stops, huh? Thank you for witnessing this.